Alright guys, today's going to be a quick one because we got family issues. Basically, last night we had this symmetric triangle that broke down and it hit our target perfectly. And then notice that we have a huge support here down at 61.9. That's from this low right here. So we currently well, if you see here, I had a bullish divergence drawn here, possibly from the 15-minute. Let's see. Yes, no, not exactly. Could be the 5-minute. Let's see. No, I believe it was the 15-minute. And anyhow, so we bounced. That was the low of that period, right? And right here, and then we couldn't make back above the resistance, right here. So now we're within this range between 61.9 and 62.7-ish. We were gonna go down to like, well, if we do break below 61 or even 60,000, then we're gonna head back to 50 in the 57s. And but we did, breach this resistance right here. We closed above it on the 15-minute. Now we're still going up. We have a flag right here. We might just touch the 200 moving average. 1 minute is really oversold, but we might still stay low. 5-minute needs to be traded. So we could, if we can stay above the 200 for the 5-minute, that would be awesome. The stochastics has to reset. 1 hour if we close above the 21. So a lot of times it's about the moving averages. I mean, usually symmetric triangles are 50-50, but usually breaks down. So I wasn't surprised at all with this move. We had this tweet on Twitter, but notice that we are still in the downward flag right here for the daily, right? And the VRVP is at the 51 level. So, but there's a huge gap here. So if we don't be surprised if we do lose this area and go to 51. Okay, but that's on a daily time frame. But right now we're holding well on the support, and this is still bullish, semi-bullish, because we're still in this flag. Okay, but the stochastics for the daily isn't looking too good. And we always said that weekly has to reset. We did go dip below the dotted line, but it has to curve before it goes back up, right? But this is like a healthy, let's pull the fib here. It's actually a very healthy retracement. If we take this candle here and this wick, let's count the wicks as well. If we counted the top wick, so we are at the 0.382 level, right? We didn't quite make 0.5, but this is a very healthy Fibonacci retracement. So don't worry too much about this. Make sure to just zoom out and everything will be okay, as long as you're not heavily too leveraged in your trades. If you're doing spot trading, just DCA. Red candles are always good to buy, right? Again, this is not financial advice, but guys, hang in there. We'll be okay. We're looking at good volume right here, and today's false move Monday, meaning it's anything happens because of the weekend, and that's it. We'll give you another update maybe tomorrow. Have a good day, or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and